Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir me sada Sakshat Kritam Dayanandam Paramarthasvarupinam Tattvajnana Prashastaram Pranatosmi Param Padam Vagartha Vivasampraktau Vagartha Pratipattaye Jagatah Pitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwarau Yenakshaраsamamnayam Adhigamya Maheshwarat Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam Tasmai Paninaye Namaha Vakyakaram Vadaruchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahe Tejasvinabhadhitamastu ma vidvishavahe Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. We were seeing Sarvanama Shabda. By the Sutra Sarvadini Sarvanamani, the words which are listed in the Sarvadigana, they enjoy the Sanya, Sarvanama Sanya, Sarvadini Sarvanamani, that is the Sutra. Sarvadini Sarvanamani. Sarvadi, Sarva, etc. Adini, Sarvanamani. Sarvanamani iti Sanya. Sarvadini Sarvanamani. The Sutra is in first chapter, 1127. The Sarvanamani, the Sanya, goes as Anuvritti, if you see Sutra Pata. Goes up to 36. So it means all these Shabdas we need to see. 1127, the Sutra. Sarvadini, Sarvanamani, and Sarvanamani, the word, goes of Anuvritti up to 36. Vibhashadik Samase Bhagavrigo, Sarvanama Sanya, Na Bhagavrigo, negating Sarvanama Sanya, Tritiya Samase, Sarvanama Sanya, Dvandvecha, Vibhashajasi. All these are related to compound. Okay. Then Vibhashajasi. Then Pratama, Charama, Dayal Parda Katipaya Neyamascha. So all these shabdas we have to see. Pratama, Charama, Katipaya, Nema. Then Purva, Paravara, Dakshinottara, Tarani, Vestayam, Asinkyayam, Swama, Jnati, Dhanatyanam, Antaram, Bhagid, Yogo, Sandhyana Yoga. All these enjoys Sarvanama Sanya. All these enjoy Sarvanama Sanya. But we took this first sutra and then we saw the list of Shabda and the Sarvadini Sarvanamani. Maybe I will add a note here. Sarvadini Sarvanamani 1127, the sutra what we saw. But this Sanya is not only to the words of Sarvadigana, as we saw in the Sutra 1127 to 136. I will add this note later. After seeing all the words in Sarvadigana, then we can say the Sarvanama Sanya is also for the following sutras. Then under Sarvadigana, the list of words we saw. All these are the list of words. Sarva, Vishwa, Ubha, Ubhaya, Datara. Datara is Datara Pratyayanta Shabda. Similarly, like Katara, Katana, etc. Anya, Anyantara, all those words. And finally, here we have this Yad, Tad, Yad, Yetat, Idam, others, Eka, Dvi, Yushma, Tasmat, Bhavatu, Kim. This part is important because we are seeing the words in this subgroup. It's called Tyadigana. Tyad Adi, Tyadadi. So Tyadigana, subgroup. So Tyadigana, in the Tyadigana, we have Yad, Tad, Yad, Yetat, Idam, others, Eka, Dvi. This up to here, Eka, Dvi. Tyadigana. And they say some people include Yushma Dasmat Bhavatu also. We saw that. Sutra, Tedadi. Tedadi Nam Aha, important sutra. Tedadi Garasya Shabdanam 72102. When Vibhakti Pratyaya follows. Swauja Samocha Vibhakti Pratyaya follows. The words of the Tedadigana will get Adesha, Akara Adesha. The last letter, Alomtyasa Paribhashaya, will get Adesha. And the Asmin Gane Ashta Shabdaha Samavishyante. Starting from Ted up to Dvi. Etesham Sarvesham Shabdana Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare Akara Adesha Bhavati. So these words come under Tedadigana. Tedadyantaragana up to this. So we have got 8 words. So that is what we are seeing. The first Shabda is Tedadi. Tyad Shabda. The declaration is Dakarantaha, Lingaha Tyad Shabdaha. If you remember the sutra, this is the first sutra, important sutra, we need to know Tedadi Namaha. The 8 Shabda which are read in the Sarvadigana get the Sanya. They are called Tedadi, Antargana, and the words of the Tedadi Antargana when Vibhakti Pratyaya follows with Sakara Desha. The next sutra, important sutra, Tadoho Saha Savanantyayoho Anantya Sakara. Sakara not at the end of the words, Tedadigana words. What will happen? Supratyaya Pare, get Sakara Desha, right? Tadoho Saha.
Shamyetamji.
Yes.
Sir, and typo is there. Tedadi Namaha sutra that we have to correct it. Mele. Tyadi Namaha is there. Tedadi Nam.
Okay. Tedadi Nam. Tedadi Namaha. Yes. Then this sutra is next sutra. You can remember 72102 is Tedadi Nam. Then 72106 Tadoho Saha. Tadoho is Takara, Dakara. Anantyayoho. Not at the end. So pare, so. Sava means so plus Anantyayoho. So therefore, so pare. What will happen? It will be replaced by Sakara. So this is next sutra. You can recall. We have seen the Shabda. So become Ted, the Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam becomes Syaha, Syaha, then Tyau, Tye, etc. We saw. So 72102, 72106. That Shabda, we already have seen, we are not going to see, just can recall. These two sutras are applied after that common sutra. You know, Pratamayoga Purva Savarnaha and Pradichi, etc. All those things like applied, and then you get the form. And here it is, out T comes, Bhagavachane,
Jasahashi is applied.
Yasahashi. So therefore, 7-1 section, we have Sutra Sarvanamnaha, and Sarvanama Shabda followed by Sarvanamnaha. There's Sarvanamnaha Smai, etc. Then Sarvanamnaha, Nesing Nyoho, Smart Smino, Yasahashi, all those sutras that will apply. So Yasahashi, Sarvanama Shabda followed by Jas, the Jas will get the Adesha, she, therefore, she is E, therefore Guna Sandhi, Te. So this is different from Rama Shabda. Ramaha, Ramaha, but here it is Syaha, Tyau, Te. Sarvaha, Sarvo, Sarve, Purvaha, Purva, Purve, Vishvaha, Vishva, Vishve, Samaha, Samau, Same. So like, it will be like this. Because from Rama Shabda. And Tat Shabda also we saw. The same Jadadi Namaha, Satadoho, Savarantayoho. These two sutras are important. By that we can get the Tat Shabda Rupam. Tagatote, Tamto, Tan is Shas Pratyaya. So, you know, Tasma, Jaso, Naf, Pumsi. All those things are common. Tad plus Ta. Ta is replaced by Hina. By what sutra?
Tangasi Gasam Inatsyaha.
Because by Tidadi Namaha, it becomes Akara,
Adanta.
Adanta. Therefore, Tagasingasam can apply. Because Tagasingasam for Adantanga. Ato Bisahais, then Tangasingasam, Inatsyaha. So the Chadadigana makes it Adanta. Therefore, Ta is replaced by Kena. So the Chadadi Namaha is important sutra. And replacing the last letter of the Chedadi Shabda by Akara, and after that Ato Gune will apply. So Dakara replaced by Ya, then Ta, then we have Ta plus A, then Ato Gune by that Ta only Ta plus Ina Chena. Other sutras are common. Vyam here is Ta become Tabyam. How? Sutra. Supicha. Bhagavachane Jali Yet, etc. All those things we know we apply. Like Tebhyaha Bhagavachane Jali Yet. Tasmad Takasingasam. Say Vinatsyaha. So Takshabda we have seen. Then Etakshabda. Takshabda means Etakshabda also is under same thing. Here we have one Anvadesha. That is optional form. So not here. Okay. Here only, yes. Yeshaka Yeto Yete Yetam Yenam. Well, Yetena Yenena. So it is there for Dvitiya Vibhakti, and Tritiya and
Ekavachana.
Shashti Vivachana. So by the sutra, Dvitiya Taus Svenaha. Dvitiya Vibhakti, then Tau, the Ta, then Aus. That here it will get the Adesha, Yena. Anvadesha. Anu Adesha. Anvadesha means Anu plus Adesha, Anvadesha. The Pratipadika itself will be replaced by Yena. Anvadesha Rupam, Yenam, Yeno, Dvitiya Bhakti, all the Vachanam, and Tritiya Bhakti, Ekavachanam, and Shashti Bhakti, as Saptami, Vivachanam. We have two forms. Et Shabda, same as Tat Shabda, Teradi Namaha, followed by the sutras you can apply with the form. Kim Shabda also we saw. Kimaha Kaha. किम शब्दस्य विभक्ति प्रत्यय परे क आदेशः भवति पुनः कः. So whether they get kaha, kauke, kamkokan. But kim shabda also we have seen. Now the next shabda what we are going to see today is adas shabda. Do you know adas shabda by heart? If not, it is, you can memorize. It's not difficult, simple only. Asau, amu, ami. Once you know the declension, will be easy for you to remember the forms. First, let us see Pullinga, then you will see Strilinga. So from here we have to start. So adas sakarantaha. Adas also it is Yatyadi Gana Shabda. So Tyad, Tad, Yad, Etad, Idam, then others. Sakarantaha, Pullingaha, Adas Shabdaha. This is derived from the Dhatu, Das Dhatu. Das Dhatu in the Devadigana. Upakshaye. So Das plus Krit Pratyaya, Pip Pratyaya, you get Das. Das is Upakshaye. To throw, to point out by the finger. Na Das becomes others. Not dasyate, utkshipyate. Angulhi yatra, where the finger, you know, now utkshipyate. Utkshipyate is kship, means to throw. I mean, it is far away. Others. Na utkshipyate, na dasyate. Das is upakshaye. And the nanja of das is others. Das plus kip, then you get das plus kip, das. Na das, others. So that you cannot. Angulihi na ukshipyate yatra. That becomes others. So that's we translate in English the others as that only. Others. Idam, etad, tad, then others. Asova adityaha. Asova adityaha. That's a vakya in the Veda. Aso adityaha. So na dasyate iti others. Dasyate. You can see it's karmani. Na dasyate. Ukshipyate. That which cannot be, dasyate, thrown, or cannot point out. Angulihi, yatra. Adhikarana vyutpatti. Yatra. That is others. So now from dasda to others is derived. Now it is sakaranta shabda. So we can start declension. The sutra is 72107. So you will see some sutra 72 section. Adasaha au sulopascha. You need to remember the sutra. You will see the application of sutra, the following derivations. So adasaha au sulopascha 72107. See the sutra patha. 72107. Adasaha au sulopascha. Adashabdasya au adeshaha sulopaha bhavati. Sulopaha bhavati. Sulopaha is supratyaya. Supratyasya lopaha bhavati, and adashabda will get au adeshaha. So now other shabda getting our adesha, where it will come, where the adesha would be ordained by the paribhasha. By the paribhasha alone kyasya antya varnasya sthane au adesha bhavati. Okay. So अधशब्दस्य सुप्रत्यय परे प्रथमाविभक्ति एकवचन प्रत्यय परे अधशब्दस्य परे अधशब्दस्य औ आदेशः अधशब्दात् परस्य सुप्रत्ययस्यापि लोपः भवति. So two things happen. Adhashabda will get au adesha and sulopah bhavati. So others will get au adesha. Therefore, others sakara will be replaced by au. Therefore, you'll have adau. Then sulopah bhavati. Adhashabda gets au adesha when followed by supratyaya, and supratyaya becomes lopaha. प्रथमा एकवचनस्य सुप्रत्ययस्य उपस्थितौ अधस्वर्णमशब्दस्य अन्तिमसकारस्य by the परिभाषा अलोन्त्यस्य अन्तिमसकारस्य स्थाने औ आदेशः भवति सुप्रत्ययस्य लोपः भवति. Now others plus su, so su becomes lopaha and the sakara is replaced by au. Don't think that su is replaced by au. This mistake you will do. So sakara of others is replaced by au, other shabda. Then you have adau. Adau. Now here, ada plus au. Prathamyoga purasvarnaha. Janena purasvara virighe prapte. Nadichiti. Iti nishedaha. Therefore, vriddhi sandhi. Ada plus au. So, a plus au. Vriddhi sandhi will happen. Now, dakara at the, not at the end of the, not at the end. Therefore, by the sutra, by what sutra? Tadoho.
Tadoho saha.
Anantya
Saha,
sakara.
saha.
Saha savanantiyoho. This being nityajadikana and supratyaya follows. Right? Supratyaya pare only. So therefore, supratyaya becomes lopa. Fine. Supratyaya pare. Anantya sakarasya sthane sakara adesha. Therefore, with sakara adesha. यद्यपि सुलोप प्रत्ययस्य लोपः कृतः अस्ति तथापि प्रत्ययलोपे प्रत्ययलक्षणम्. प्रत्ययलोपे प्रत्ययलक्षणम्. सुप्रत्ययविशिष्ट अंगकार्यं भवति एव. लोपः एव भवति. न तु लुक्. Right? Therefore, pratyalope pratyalakshana means even though the pratyaya becomes lopa, but what are pratyaya nimitta karya, that will happen for the anga. Therefore, you get asau. The prathama vibhakti ekavachanam is asau. So adasaha au sulopascha followed by tadoho saha savanantiyoho. By that you get the form asau. Then one vartikam is there, but it's not important. But anyway, just added. You can note this vartikam. Just to learn this vartikam. Autta pratishedaha sakachkasya va vaktavyaha sadhutvam cha. There's a sutra in the Dita section 5371. Avyaya sarva namnam akach prak tege. Tege is T. So avyaya and sarvanama shabda. Tege prak. Te means we know achontyadi T. So achontyadi tege prak, before the T letter, akach pratyaya will be added. Akach is a tadita pratyaya. Akach. Anena sutrena avyaya not required. Here we are dealing with sarvanama shabda. So sarvanama shabdanam visaye akach pratyaya swarte prayujyate. Swarte, swasya arte, swarte akach pratyaya bhavati sarvanama shabdanam visaye. Ayam akach pratyaya, where it will be ordained? Generally pratyaya is pratyaya parascha. But here tehe prak. T sanyakat purvam agachati. What is the T sanya of adas shabda? Us, right?
Yes.
Adas shabdasya T sanya is us. So before us, this akach pratyaya will come. So before us, this akach pratyaya comes, and what will the rupam becomes? Adakas. Ad plus us. And this is pratyaya is ordained after ad. Ad plus akach becomes adakach. Adakach plus us. Chakara, of course, it's ether letter. Okay, don't worry. The akach means chakara is the content is only ak. So you will have adakas. So ad plus us and pratyaya akach pratyaya is ordained. Whose content is ak. So ad plus ak is adak. Adak plus us is adakas. Adakas iti pratipadikam siddhyati, and this pratyaya swarte prayujyate. Asya pratipadikasya pratama vibhakti supratyaya pare. Now, sau supratyaya pare. Anena sutrena au adesha vikalpena bhavati. By the sutra, au adesha will be ordained vikalpa. What is au adesha? Au adesha is we saw just now that adasaha
Because of that
au
sutra.
adasaha au sulopascha, which ordains au adesha.
Sakarasya lopa and aukarasya adesha will come.
That au adesha will be vikalpa. Therefore, we will have two forms. Tatacha yatra ayam na adesha bhavati tatra sakarat parasya varnasya uttamapi bhavati. So au adesha will be ordained optionally. That is number one. One form you will get. Other form is when au adesha is not ordained, then sakarat uttarasya varnasya, that is ashvarnasya ukara adesha bhavati. Uttam means ukara. That's what sad uttam. Sad uttam means sad panchami. Uttam is ukara adesha. Now you see the example, you understand. When the argument, the pratyaya, but here the pratyaya is, okay, it says argument, it's not argument, it's not the, when the akach pratyaya, when akach pratyaya, it's a suffix. And because it is added between, therefore, it is argument. But anyway, it's not argument, it is pratyaya. So unique pratyaya, added not after, but in before T. Akach pratyaya, then au adesha. Adasaha au sulopascha, the sutra 7210. I think, which is optional. When it is not ordained, then that after sakara, the bubble will be there. The others, you'll see that in Uttvadesha. So you will have two forms. Asukaha, asukau. Like let's take you do it. Au adesha se upasito. When au adesha is ordained, then what will happen? Now, adakas we have got by ordaining akach pratyaya. Tehe prak. Pratipadikam adakas siddhyati. Then supratyaya pare. Adakas is a modification of adas shabda. Therefore, by the Vartika, supratyaya by that is au adesha is optional. So adakas plus au. Now let us ordain au adesha. So au will come in the place of sakara. Adakas sakaras and sulopa happy bhavat. So adaka plus au, adakau, a plus au is vridirechi. Then this dakara not at the end of the not at the end. Therefore, tadoho saha savanantayoha by that sakara adesha. Therefore asako. This is one rupam. Another rupam au adeshasya abhave. In the absence of au adesha, then adakas plus su. Adakas plus su. What will happen? Adakas plus the su. We don't order au adesha, then this because this is a Cheradigana, Adashabda, Adakas also. Cheradigana, you have to consider it as Cheradigana only. It is because Ekadesha Krita Varanyavata. So by Tejadigana Maha, the Sakara will be replaced by A, therefore you get Adaka A plus A Atogune, Adaka plus Su. Adaka plus Su, And now with dakara, anantya dakara, therefore replaced by sakara, asaka plus sakara, then padanta sakara, that will be replaced by visarga. Fine. Then this sakara, then this sutra, uttam, Vartika says, saduttam, sad. After the sakara, what the varna, the vowel which is there, you get uttvadesha. Because this Vartika says, Auttapatishedaha, when Auttam is negated, then Saduttam cha bhavati. For what? Sakachkasya, that which takes the akach pratyaya, tasya sad utvam. Sakarat anantaram, yaka varna asti, tasya sthane uttvadesha bhavati. Here, Sakara is there, after that A is there, that A will get the Adesha U, therefore Asuka, Asukas, Asukaha, the Nirupam. Therefore, two forms. Asakau is one Rupam, Asukaha is another Rupam. Okay, this is by this Vartika. We are not interested in the Shabda, it is incidental. Just you can note this. This is only for the words which take Akach Pratyaya. When Akach Pratyaya is ordained for the Avyaya and Sarvanama Shabda, then by this Vartika, that Uttvadesha is optional. Uttvadesha which comes after, in the place of the letter after Sakara. It is optional. And Uttvadesha itself is Auttapratishedaha. Auttapratishedaha Vavaktavyaha. Auttapratisheda is optional. When it is optional, that is, when it is not ordained, then Sat Uttam Bhavati. When Autvadesha is ordained, then Sad Uttam will not come. There you will have the regular form as a cow. Here there is no Uttvadesha because Autvadesha is not negated. Autvadesha se upastitau asakau iti rupam. Autvadesha se abade. You will have Asukaha. There Uttvadesha will happen. Okay. Understand, right? Not important. Just to note this. We are interested in other Shabda only. And the sutras related to other Shabda. So you can remember this sutra 72107. This is what is important. Adasaha au sulopascha. So other Shabdasya out bhavati saupare. Sulopascha bhavati. Then the next sutra. 8 to 80. First we will give the sutra which are involved in this. And after that we will derive the forms. Now, Adasaha 8 to 80, this is in Tripadi. Adasaha, you have to split to understand. Adaso ser dadu do damaha. Sutra is Adaso ser dadu do damaha. Adasaha asehe dad u daha damaha. Daha maha. Asehe, it's a nunch compound, nunch bagubri. So naha, asehe is Shashti Vibhakti. So Pratipadikam will be Asi. Asi means not so. Asi is na si. Na sihi. Asti. Yasmin. Saha. Sihi is Sakaraha. Ikara is only for Ucharanatham. In the C, see, Asehe, what is the Pratipadikam? Asi. The Asi, that E is only for Ucharanartham. So it is only us only. Okay. It is only us. Us means A is Nanj actually. So you can see that's what I wrote. Avidyamanaha. That's why Nanj A. Sihi. Sihi means just a Sakara only. Ikara is only for Ucharanartham. So you have to take it as Sihi means C. The C, that C is, that E is Ucharanaartha. The content is Sakara. So Sakaraha yatra yasmin na vidyate. That is called Asihi. Shashti Vibhakti of that is Asehe. Like Adi Shabda, you can dictate Asehe. So that in which Sakara is not there, that is Asihi, Asehe. Of that Adashabda, Adashabdasya Asehe, Adashabda in which Sakara is not there, then Dat, Dakarat Parasya, Uhu, U Adesha. What is U? Here also this is a compound. You'll see how it is interesting. U. Uscha, Uscha, Uhu, Samahara Dvanda Samasa. Uhu, which is Yadesha, which is Samahara Dvanda. Rasva as well as Dirga. Uscha, Uscha, U Bhavati, Samahara Dvanda Samasa. So Adasaha Shashti Bhakti, Asehe is a Manch Bahurigi, in which Sakara is not there. That is Adashabda in which Sakara is not there. In that, then Dat, Dakarat, Tarasya, Karaha Adesha Bhavati. Also, Dakara will get Makara Adesha. Daha, Mahapi. Dakarasya Sthane, Makara Adesha Bhavati. Now let us see the meaning. Adasaha, Asantasya, Dat, Parasya, Udu Dautaha, Dasya, Mascha. Dasya Mascha must be clear, simple. Dakara will get Makara Adesha. Dat Uttarasya, after the Dakara, we get the Adesha, U, U, U or U, depending on what the letter is. You will see that. Udu Tau, Udu Tostaha. For what? Asantasya, in which Sakara is not there. In which Sakara is not there. Antya Sakara not there. Because others where the Sakara is. Sakara is only at the end, right? Therefore, Asantasya, na Santasya. Santaha is Sakara at the end. Santaha. Anta is Sakaraha, ante vartate. Yasya. Santaha. Asantasya. So, other Shabda referring to that in which Antya Sakara not being there. So, other Shabda in which Sakara is not there. Antya Sakara not there. Then that Daka Dat Uttarasya, that vowel following the Dakara of the other Shabda will get the Adesha Uvarna. Uvarna means U or U, depending on what the letter is. Depending on what the letter is, it get Ukara Adesha, Uvarna Adesha. Also, Dakara will get Makara Adesha. This will become clear when we see the example. This is in Tripadi, 80. Now let us see. Others plus Su. Others plus Su, already we did this. Others plus Su. Others plus Su, what we get? Asau, already we did. Other Shabda, okay, here you can note. I have added one more thing here. Other Shabda, which is Tijadigana. Here do we apply Tijadina Maha? No, because Tijadina Maha 72102, and this is Adasaha. Au Solo Pascha is Parasutra, therefore that overrules. That overrules, therefore 72102 is not applied. Please note. Okay. 72102 is Tejadina Maha. And 72107 specifically for other Shabda when Supratyaya follows will get Avadesha. So here we should not apply Tejadina Maha. Okay. So 72107 Parasutra will apply. By that, Aukara Adesha comes in the place of Sakara. Therefore, and then you get Asau. Right? Then others plus Au, Dvitiya Bhakti, Dvivachanam, sorry. Uttama Bhakti Dvivachanam. Here is 72107 doesn't apply because that is only for Supratyaya. Here Au. So therefore here we can apply Tedadinam aha. By that Sakara is replaced by a, then after that Ato Gune, then a plus a becomes other plus O. Now this is a case where Ada Shabda doesn't have Antya Sakara. Antya Sakaraha nasti, therefore Asehe, Adasaha Asehe. Adasaha Asehe. Ada plus O. Adau. So you can just split like this for our application of the sutra. Now this is Adas Shabda in which Sakara not there. And Dat Uttarasya. After Dakara, what is that? Au. Dat Uttarasya. Au is there. Au will get the Adesha. What Adesha? What Adesha it will get? I just we get Adau for the sake of applying the sutra. I just split this. I understand. Adas Shabda, which is Asehe, doesn't have Antya Sakara. So Adasaha Asehe Dat Uttarasya Varnasya Stane. What Adesha will come?
Ukara.
Ukara. But Rasva will come or Dirya will come. Because Uscha U. Samahara Danda. That is what we explained. The Adesha. Because here it is Dirga. Therefore Dirga Adesha. Dirga Ukara should come as Adesha. Understand?
Yes.
If the Stani is Rasva, then you get Rasva Adesha Ukara. The Stani is Dirga. Stanentara Tamaha. Remember? Kala Matra. That we saw Matra. Pramana. The Adesha will be ordained in keeping with the Matra of the Stani. So this is a good example. In fact, we saw this example only in the Paribhasha Sutra, Stanentara Tamaha we saw. Stanentara Tamaha. No. You remember Stanentara Tamaha Paribhasha? Basic Paribhasha. It is. Stani, that is Adesha will be ordained in the place of Stani. That will be in keeping with. Please see. There, the four are the Sadrishaha, Stanentara Tamaha. Kala in Ucharana, that is Ucharana Stanam. Stana Sadrisham. Stana means Ucharana Sadrisham. Then Artha Sadrishyam in terms of the meaning. That would be Sadrishyam. Then accordingly the Adesha will be ordained. Then Guna Sadrishyam. Guna means here Bhagya Prayatna. Then last one is Pramana Sadrishyam. Pramana means Kala. Ucharana Kalasya Pramanasya Adharena. In fact, this is the example he is giving here. Adasaha Asehe Dhat Dudamaha. Same example. Adashabdasya Dakarasya Makaradesha Dakarat Parasya Varnasya Akarasya Ukaradesha Bhavati. Okay, so the example here. Okay, Adabhyam will see that anyway. So Pramana Sadrishyam. Stanentra Tamaha. Stani will get Adesha. And if the Adeshas are many, you have to select one among them. How do you select? You have to go by this. First is the stronger one is Stana, that is place of pronunciation. The second one is Guna Sadrishyam, sorry, Artha Sadrishyam in terms of meaning. Artha Sadrishyam, we have seen the example like Masa will become Masa, Danta, Pada, etc. That is the example we saw. In fact, that is given, I think, here also. Pada will get Pada, Desha, etc. That we saw. Similarly, here, Kroshtu, Trijvat Kroshtu. That's another good example. Artha Sadrishyam. Artha is meaning. Then Guna Sadrishyam is Bhagya. Guna is Bhagya Prayatna. So Bhagya Prayatna, Guna Sadrishyam. The last one is Pramana Sadrishyam. Pramana is Kala Sadrishyam. So therefore, by this Paribhasha, Stanentra Tamaha, Aukaraha being dirgha letter will be replaced by the corresponding dirgha adesha, dirgha ukara. And also dakarasya maha adesha bhavati, daha maha. So two things happen. Au will be replaced by ukara and dakarasya pi makara adesha. Therefore, amu, asau, amu, that is the Dvivachana Rupam, Pratama Bhakti Dvivachana Rupam. So this sutra you need to note. It's a good example for Pramana Sadrishyam of Stanentartamaha. Stanentartamaha, all these are basic paribhasha, already we know. We are much familiar with Stanentartamaha. Like Bhagya Prayatna and all, Jayoho Anyatarasyam, the Sandhi Sutra, Bhagya Prayatna, we have seen. And here it is a good example where it is Pramana Sadrishyam. Okay, so by this sutra, Stanentartamaha you get. Rasvasya sthane rasvakara adeshah, dirghasya sthane dirgha ukarasya adeshah bhavati. Therefore, amu iti rupam. Okay, so this sutra, adasaha, adaso ser dadu do damaha. Okay, this is done. The next one, 8 to 80, this is, then 8 to 81, the next sutra. Next sutra says Bhagavachane, for Bhagavachana, Bhagutva, Bhagutve krate, for Bhagutva, Yetaha it adesh bhavati. Ekara, which is there, dat parasya, that will get the adesha ikara. Adasaha, dat parasya, nakarat uttarasya. Yetaha is ekarasya. Au ekarakam. Au ekarakam. Ekarakam by what is ekarakam? Bhagavachane jali yet and all we saw, right? Bhagavachane jali yet. So ekara will come. Ekarasya sthane, you get eat adesha, ikara adesha. Takara is ucharnat. Already see. Others plus just. Others, this is a Tedadigana Shabda, which will get Akara Adesha, therefore Tedadi Nam Ahad and Atogune, by that other plus us. Other is Taranama Shabda, therefore Jasaha, she Adeshaha. So other plus she. Then other plus she, we can do Gunasandhi, Ade. Now Ye is that. Now here it is Ye is because of Gunasandhi. Bhagavachana Jali Ye, that is different. You will see that. That is in Chaturthi Bhagavachana, Panchami Bhagavachana. Here because of Jasahashi, by that other plus e ade you get. Now ekara. Now dat uttarasya ekara adesha bhavati. So ekarasya sthane ekara adesha bhavati. So a will get replaced by e. So a will get e. And from the previous sutra, dasya mascha also coming as anuvrutti. That is common thing. Dakarasya pi akara adesha bhavati. So dakara will be replaced by makara. Therefore, you get ami, asau, amu, ami. Please see the sutra pata. 8 to 80 and 8 to 81. From 8 to 80, Adasaha coming as Anuvrutti, Adashabda, Dat also coming as Anuvrutti, U lesson come as Anuvrutti. Yeru. Dat Uttarasya, Ekarasya Sthane, Ita Adesha Bhavati, Bhagavachane, Dodamaha coming as Anuvrutti. So you can note these two sutras for Adashabda. So Bhagavachane, Adashabdasya, Dat Uttarasya, Varnasya Sthane, Adashabdasya, Ikara Adesha Bhavati. Therefore, you get Ami and Daha Mahapi. Takarasya Sthane, Makara Adesha Bhavati. So adasah dat parasya etagastane it adeshah tasya mahapi. Kada bhavati bhagavachane. Bhagavarta, bhagavarte, bhagavarte. Therefore asau amu ami. Then others plus Tiradi aha, then ato gune by that other plus other plus then what you get? Other plus yes.
Ami Purva.
So Adam.
Adam.
Ami Purvaha. Other plus a plus Ami
Adam.
Purvaha we have to apply Adam. But Adam is not over, but we have to apply Dat Uttarasya, Akarasya, Dat Uttarasya, Ukarasya, 8 to 80 will apply. Tripadi Sutra. Adasaha, here this other Shabda doesn't have Sakara. So Antya Sakarasya Abhave, Adasaha, Dad, U, then Daha Maha will apply. So here Dakara plus Akara is. Maybe we can write for our understanding. I will write one more step here. That is Dakara plus Akara. Now this other Shabda which doesn't have Sakara, Dad Uttarasya Akarasya Sthane, Akara being Rasva, therefore Tasukara Deshaha and Dasya Mahapi, Akara Hapi. So Dakara replaces Makara, Nakara by Ukara, therefore you will have Amum. Adam becomes Amum after applying 8 to 80. Okay. So Asovamu Ami, then Amum. Understand? Then others plus out. Out also same. Same thing here. Tedadi Namaha, then Atogune, then Ado. Yes, Sakara is there. No, not there. Therefore plus Au. Au is Dirga, therefore replaced by Ukara. And Dasya Maha Api. Therefore Amu, Asau, Amu, Ami, Amum, Amu. Then Bhagavachana what will happen? Pullinga. Shas is there. Therefore, Tasma Chaso Naf Pumsi will apply. We will see at the end. Before that, others plus Shas. Tedadi Namaha, then Atogune, then other plus us. So other like Rama plus us. Therefore, we can apply Pratama Yogo, Pura Sarnaha, Tasma Chaso Naf Pumsi, that also will apply, right? So therefore, Sakara will be replaced by Nakara. Now here also you can see other plus Adas plus. In fact, Tasma Chaso Naf Pumsi. Okay, section 103 is applied, right? Pratama Yoga Pura Sarnaha, then Tasma Chaso Naf Pumsi, by that Sakara of Shas will be replaced by Nakara, Adar. Then after that, what will happen? Yeah, Nakarat Uttarasya. But this is Bhagavachane. Okay, fine. But Bhagavachane here, 8 is not there. So here also no Sakara not there. Adasaha, Asehe, Dat, Uhu, Dasya, Mahapi. So Ad plus A plus Nakara. So the Dirga is will be replaced by Dirga Ukara and Dakarasyapi Makara. Therefore you get Amun. Up to Amo is same as the previous one. Here Nakara because of Tasma Jasona Pumsi. Follow.
Yes.
Yes.
Then Akara take a Sanya, it is not required here. The next one. Na Mune, important. 8 to 3, again Tripadi section. Na Mune means that is Asiddhatvam is negated for this Shabda. Na Mune Na iti Adesha Krute. Mu iti Adeshaha Na iti Adeshasya Krute. Asiddhaha Nasti. Asiddhatvam is negated. Na Mune. Purvatra Siddham 8 to 1, we know. Ane Sutrena Sapada Saptadhyayim Prati Tripadhyaha Siddhatvam Uchyate. This Asiddhatvam Adasaha अदसो सेर्धादु दमः दो दमः इत्यस्य त्रिपादिसूत्रस्य विषये प्रकृतसूत्रेण नियम्यते। अदसो सेर्धादु दो दमः इत्यनेन सूत्रेण अदशब्दस्य दकारस्य मकारादेशः तथा च दकारस्य परस्य वर्णस्य उकारादेशो उच्यते इत्युक्ते अनेन सूत्रेण एकत्र रूपेण मु इति आदेशविधानं क्रियते। अयमु आदेशः यद्यपि त्रिपादिसूत्रेण कृतः अस्ति तथापि आङ्गो नास्त्र्याम् इति अनेन न आदेशस्य विधानसमये तथा च विधानात् अनन्तरमपि अयं सिद्धः एव इति ज्ञेयः इति प्रकृतसूत्रस्य आशयः। आङ्गो नास्त्र्याम्, that na is that ne is na. So for that adesha, this is not asiddha. You will understand when we see the example. Adashabdasya pullinga tritiya vibhati ekavachanasya amuna iti rupasya samyik siddhyartham ayam prapanchaha kritah asti. This sutra is for mainly for getting the form amuna. Tritiya vibhati ekavachanam is of adashabda is amuna. How we get amuna? So others plus ta. Others plus ta. Chayadina Mahatogane, that is first we have to do. For other plus ta. Now, by 8 to 80, 8 to 80 is this other shabda which doesn't have sakara, therefore adasaha asehe, dat, sakara uttarasya akarasya, akara is there. Akarasya stane, rasu ukaraha, then dasya maha, therefore amu you get. So ada becomes amu by 8 to 8. Now this sutra will come amu plus, okay, amu plus ta, 147 we know that's not required, amu plus ta. What is, okay, what is 147? 147 says, 147 is Akara Teka Singya. In that section, this 147 is, okay, that is why I wrote Sheshaha Gi Asaki. Sheshaha Gi Asaki. That is 147. That's why Akara Teka Singya I wrote. So here, Akara Teka Singya. Already we know what is Akara Teka Singya. If the word is given, two Sangyas under this Adhikara, Sangya given by the Reta Sutra can only be given when the Sangya is given by the early Sutra is given. Then under such circumstances, only then the Sangya given by the later Sutra will apply, not the Sangya given by the earlier Sutra. That is Akara Eka Sangya. So under this, we have these sutras. We have seen Yud Chiyakyo Nadi, Na Yengurungustanu Vastri, then Va Ami, Iti, Sheshaha Ki Asaki, Ango Na Astriyam. Plus 147 is Sheshaha Gi Asaki. Sheshaha Gi Asaki. So, Ango Nastriyam Pullinga Napumsakalinga Gi Sangaka. Pullinga Napumsak Gi Sangaka Parasya Tritiya Ekavachanasya Ta Pratyasya Na Adeshaha Kriyate. So Na Adeshasya Krite. Na Adeshasya Krite. This Asiddhaha Nasti. Asiddhattam Nasti. Okay. Namune. Namune we will see in the Sutra, the website. I think from there only I wrote 8, 2, 3. Let's see. Mo iti adeshaha, na iti adeshe kartavye, tasmin adeshe prate, siddhaha nasti. So this is what I wrote there. From here, or this, whatever it is here, we copy it from here only. Others plus ta, atra na iti adeshe vidanim, you can see here. Na iti adeshe vidanim asti che, amu iti atra vidyamanaha, mu iti amshaha siddhaha iti prakrita sutrasya adeshaha. Mu iti amshe siddhe sati. Once you have mu, Ada becomes amu by 8 to 80. Once you have amu, then amu iti ukarantasya angasya. Now it has become ukara. Use triya kyo nadi, then sheshaha ki saki is other left out, whatever not discussed. That ikaranta ukaranta by sheshaha ki saki asaki. So ukarantasya angasya gisanyam prapnoti. So gisanyam krutva ango na astriyam by that sutra na adeshah bhavati. Ta iti pratyesya sthane na adeshah bhavitam. Now na adeshe krite. So therefore amu plus ta will be replaced by na. Why amu gets ta adesha? Because it is now ukaranta. By shesha ki asaki gets gisanya, therefore ukaranta, not strilinga, we are doing pullinga. So therefore ta will be replaced by na. Now na adeshe krite ishtarupam siddhyati. But how will you ordain na adesha? Because we have applied 8 to 80. 8 to 80 by that ada becomes amu. And ango nastriyam, it is in 73120. That is why the sutra 823 says natva adeshe krite, na adeshe krite asiddhatvam nasti. Na adeshe krite asiddhatvam nasti. Therefore, yatra mu iti adeshaha na iti adeshe kartavye tasmin adeshe krite asiddhaha nasti. So mu iti adeshaha. So other becomes amu. Na iti adeshe kartavye. Na iti adeshe kartavya by ango nastriyam. Kartavye. Ango nastriyam, it is in 7.3 section. And mu iti adeshaha, it is in 8 to 80. Atasaha asehe dadu do damaha. So mu iti adeshaha na iti adeshe kartavye tasmin adeshe krute cha asiddhaha nasti. So that is what yes explained. Anena sutrena ekatra rupena mu iti adesha vidanam kriyate. Okay. Aya mu adesha yadyapi tripadi sutrena kritaha asti 8 to 80. Tatapi ango nastriyam iti anena na adeshasya vidhana samye tasya cha vidanat anantaravapi ayam siddhaha eva jneyah iti prakrita sutrasya ashayah. Ango nastriyam it is in Sapada Saptadhyayi. Therefore, na adeshasya vidhana samye tata cha tasya vidhanat anantaramapi ayam siddhaha eva iti prakrita sutrasya ashayah. Okay. So na become ne krite. Ne, that is na adeshe krite asiddhatvam nasti. Na adeshe krite asiddhatvam nasti. Yatra mu adeshaha kriyate tatra na adeshe krite ango nastriyam asiddhatvam nasti. Therefore na means ango nastriyam will apply. By adasaha asehe dadu damaha, by that sutra you get amu. This is mu. Atra na adeshasya vidaranam karaniyam chet amu iti atra vidyamanah mu iti amshah siddhaha jneyah. So na will come only when mu is there, and mu is by 8 to 80. Mu iti amshe siddhe sati amu iti ukarantasya. Now shesha ki asaki iti sutrena gisanyam krutva. After that ango nastriyam iti anena na bhavitam argati. Therefore asiddhatvam is negated. That is why this na. Na is negation. In this ne is shashti saptami vibhakti of na. Na bhave kartavye. Right? Mu bhavaha asiddhaha nasti. Na adeshe krite ishtarupam siddhyati. Therefore, the point is after the application of 8 to 80, we can apply ango nastriyam. That is what the sutra says. Atra na adeshaha krite api mu bhavaha siddhaha eva asti. Yadi tadasham nasya targi na adesha narantaram mu bhavasya siddhatvat ad plus na iti drishtva supicha iti ane sutra angasya anishtaha dirgha adesha videyeta. Otherwise, you will get Anishta Rupam. Suppose if you don't do, then what will happen? In other plus na. Iti eva drishta. Supicha, by that, you get Anishta Rupam. Yena amuna iti amuna iti dirgha gatitam rupam siddhyeta. Tadrisham ma bhut. Ataha atra नाभावे कृते अपि मूभावः सिद्धः एव वर्तते अतश्च अत्र सुपि च इत्यनेन अनिष्टः दीर्घः न सम्भवति. Yes, explained very clearly. So नाभावे कर्तव्ये कृते मूभावः न असिद्धः. So therefore here when na adeshah is ordained for where it's ordained only when mu adesha is ordained. But mu adesha is ordained, mu is ukaranta. Mu adesha is ordained in 8 to section, Tripadi section. 8 to 80. Then after that, how can you apply na adesha? It gets gi sanya, okay. But gi sanya ka related sutra is in Sapar Saptadhyaya. Therefore, mu bhavaha asiddhaha bhavati va siddhaha asiddhaha. So therefore, na bhave kartavye. Here the required form is na amuna. The na is should come. Na will come when it will come only when the anga enjoys gi sanya. When anga will enjoy gi sanya when it is ukara, for example here amu, and amu will come is ordained only in 8-3 section. It is in 8-2 Tripadi section. So therefore, na bhava sutra is in Sapada Saptadhyaya. Therefore, na bhave kartavya. Mu bhavaha asiddhaha nasti. So therefore, after the application of 8 to 80, we can apply Angonastriya. That is the meaning. That is why here, see the sequence of sutra. 8 to 80 is applied. After that, Angonastriya, the sutra is applied. Therefore, you get Amuna. Amuna iti ishta rupam. Understand? Na adeshe krite. For the sake of ordering na adesha, mu bhavaka siddhaha eva, natu asiddhaha. So Purvatra siddham is not applicable for na adesha, for mu adesha. Mu bhavaha. Yadi tadrisham nasya. Suppose if it is not there, tarhi na adeshat anantaram mu bhavasya asiddhatvat. Other plus na. Where is mu bhavaha? Mu bhavaha other plus na. In fact, na will come only for Srilinga. Here other plus na. Suppose even if you say other plus na. Na adeshat anantaram mu bhavaha. After ordering na adesha, suppose if we do mu bhavaha other plus na. Yes, so picture by that sutra, what will happen? So you get dirgha adesha. Ada will become ada.
Adana.
Then a will get the adesha by 8 to 80. Then ukara adesha. Amuna you will get. In fact, here na itself will come only when the anga enjoys gisanya. Right? Where is gisanya itself here? So even if you suppose order in gisanya, then other plus na. Other plus na, and that you get dirgha rupam amuna you get. That is not ishta rupam. Anuchitam dirghaditam rupam siddhyeta. Tadrisham ma bhut. Therefore, na bhave krite mu bhavaha siddhaha eva. Therefore, when you make it siddhaha, therefore supicha by that sutra anishta rupam will not count. That is the idea. So na mu ne. Ne is saptami bhakti. Na bhave ne krite, na krite mu bhavaha. Sorry, mu bhavaha na. Na is na asiddhaha. Purvatra siddham. Purvatra siddham na bhavati. Mu ne purvatra siddham na. Na bhave krite mu bhavaha asiddhatvam na bhavati. That's what it says. Mu iti adeshaha. Na iti adesha kartavye. Tasmin adesha krite cha asiddhaha nasti. Mu adeshaha asiddhaha nasti. Okay. Here in the example, I differ from here. He says, Tadrisham na syat. Targi na adesha tanantara. Where how can na adesha will come? Na adesha will come only when the anga ends with ikara or ukara. Right? Then Gi Sanya is only for Ikaranta Ukarantanga, right? Not for Akarantanga.
Yes.
So, Na Adesha Tanantar Mu Bhavasya Asiddhatta. How you, first of all, how can you order Na Adesha? For ordering Na Adesha, the Anga must enjoy Gi Sanya. Gi means it must be Ikaranta or Ukaranta. Therefore, there is other plus Na is like Rama plus Na only. Rama plus, in fact, not even Na here. Ta will be replaced by Ina. You get other plus Ina. Something you will get. Okay. That is, should not happen. That is why he says. Ne iti Vishesaptami. Okay, he's explaining what is ne. I have not added all these things, but you can note. Ne is iti Shabdaha. Na iti Saptami. Vakti Ekavacharasya Rupam. Ne iti. Ne Vishekrate Vishesaptami. Na Adeshat Purvam. Parantu na Adeshasya Vishaye. Na Adeshasya Vakshayam. Mu Vidanam Siddham Nyayam. Okay. Sutra Vidana Samarthyat. Ina Adeshasya Vishedaha. Other plus ina. Because the sutra is there, other plus ta. Other is, why don't we replace by ina? That's what I said. Tango Nastriyam. Tanga Singasam Inatsyaha. Other plus ina. Sutra Vidana Samarthyat. Ada Shabdasya Tritiya Ekavachanasya. Trikriyayam. Ada plus ta asyam avastayam. By Tango Nastriyam. Na should be replaced by ina. Ta pratyasya ina adesha sambhavati. Tasmin adesha krite. Ada plus ina. Then adgunaha. Adena you get. Iti anishtarupam siddhyati. Parantu. Etadrisham kriyate chet namune. Sutrasya prayojanam vinashyeta. If you made adena, then what is the purpose of this sutra? Because sutra vidana samarthyat. Therefore, na bhave kartabhye mu bhava siddhaha iti siddhanta uchyate. Anena siddhantena na bhavaha avashyam bhavati tadartam mu bhavaha api avashyam bhavati iti arthaha nishpadyate. Okay. Therefore, na bhavaha will happen for na bhavaha avashyam bhavati. For that, mu bhavaha is also avashyam bhavati eva. Oh, that is why he explains here dirghatvam gatate iti. Okay, because the sutra is there. If you don't apply other plus na, if asiddhatvam, suppose if it is asiddhatvam is there, then you will get anishta rupam amuna. By supicha, you will get amuna, that is anishta rupam. Okay, anyway, fine. We can explain that. Okay, I think this is enough. The amuna. So na mune, by that sutra. The point is, others is replaced by others. You get amu at the application of 8 to 80. First, the Tedadi Ramaha, then Ato Gune, then the 8 to 80 amu you get. Now amu enjoys Sanya, Gisanya, then ta is there. Now, because it's not Gisanya, therefore na can come. Tango Nastriyam, even though it's in Sapada Saptathai, because na mune negates asiddhatvam for the application of Tango Nastriya. Ango Nastriya. Therefore, you get amuna. So, na mune is a sutra. Na bhave kartavye mu adeshaha asiddhaha na. That is the meaning, simple meaning. Mu adeshaha is not asiddhaha. Mu adesha, which is taught in the 8 to 80, not asiddhaha for na adeshaha, which is in this Tapada Saptadhyaya. Okay. Fine. Is it clear,
Yes.
right? I have not explained all the simple steps I have written. I think this is enough.
Yes. Yes.
Amuna. You can just simply note this. Na asiddhatvam na ne ana adeshe krite mu adeshaha, which is by 8 to 80, na asiddhaha, na purvatra asiddhaha. Simple, that's the meaning. Okay, next one. Others plus bhyam. Same thing here. Yadadi namaha. Then ato gune, ada plus bhyam. After the supicha, by that, adhabhyam, like ramabhyam, adhabhyam. Then after that, what will happen? This other shabda where sakara not there. Therefore, dhatu tarasya akarasya sthane. What adesha?
Makaraha.
Takarasya sthane makaraha, but dhatutarasya akarasya sthane
U,
ukaraha, because dirgha.
Ukara.
Yeah. Dirgha.
So we can write ad plus a. So that it is dirgha, therefore we get dirgha ukara adesha. Therefore amubhyam. It is ad plus a. Dakarasya sthane makara adesha, akarasya sthane ukara adesha. Ukara, dirgha ukara. Others plus bis. Tedadi namaha. Ato gune, by that. Ada plus bis. Now it becomes adantanga. Right? Then after that, what will happen? Can we apply ato bisaha is? Here, what will happen? This is ato bisaha is, which is in Sapada Saptadhyaya. And 8 to 80 adasaha, asehe, dadu, damaha, do damaha, it is there. So here, what will happen is adashabda. Adashabdasya. What is Tritiya Bhakti Ekavachanam of Adashabda? Aso, amu, ami, amum, amu, amuna, then amuna, amu, byam, amu, bihi only, right? Not ato bisahais will apply, right? Amu bihi, sorry, ami bihi, not amu bihi. Ami bihi,
Amibihi. Yeah.
ami bihi, not amu bihi. Ami bihi. It means one. Just I have written here. One more sutra is 719 is ato bisaha ais. So you go to this sutra. There is a negation. Negation of ato bisaha is for adashabda. Otherwise, ato bisaha ais will apply. Because it is adantanga and this pratyaya will be replaced by ais. But there is a sutra specifically for adashabda. By that, ato bisaha ais is negated. Ato bisaha ais is 719, that is negated by the sutra. What is sutra? 711. Na ida madasoho. Na ida madasoho akoho. Right? The sutra. The sutra negates the adesha of ais for bis for adashabda as well as idam shabda also. It's one line sutra I've written here. 719, 11. 711 negates 719. That's why you don't get this is not replaced by ais. What is that says? Na negation. Idam others. Idam others iti etayoho. Iti etayoho. Akara yoho. Bisaha ais na bhavati. Idam shabda and other shabda. Idam shabda and other shabda for these two shabdas. Akoho. Akoho means that in which kakara is not there. I mean, akoho, yes. So, if kakara is there, then it will happen. Like kakara comes in the case of akash pratyaya, etc. Right? So, in which kakara is not there. So, here others and idam, there is no kakara. So, akoho. So, what will get? That is, this is will not be replaced by ais. This will not be replaced by ais. So, akakarakayoho. Akakarakayoho means there is akach pratyaya. Anyway, that you can note. So, idam and other shabda iti etayoho akakarakayoho visaha is na bhavati, in which kakara is not there. Akakaraka. Not in a akash pratyaya, anything. Okay. So, kakara, na kakara, akakara. Kakara yoho, that in which kakara is not there. Adam, others and idam shabda in which kakara is not there, that shabda, when followed by bis, that bis will not be replaced by ais. Therefore, ruled out. Therefore, what will happen? Supicha by that sutra, Ada plus bis, not like Rama Shabda, but Supicha by that Bhagavachane. Bhagavachane Jali 8, not Supicha. 73103 is Bhagavachane Jali 8. So now it gets Ekara Adesha. Okay. is replaced by ye. Like Ramebhyaha, Bhagavachane Jaliyet. 73103 is Bhagavachane Jaliyet, right?
Yeah.
So Ade plus bis. Now what will happen? Ade plus bis. We have seen Tripadi Sutra. 8 to 80 is, after 8 to 80, we have the Sutra 8 to 81. What is 8 to 81? If it is Bhagavachane, Yetaha, Itadesha Bhavati, we saw, right? Yetaha it Bhagavachane, 8 to 81. And Dakarasya, Daka Mahapi. Therefore, Dakara followed by Ekara. Ekara will be replaced by Ikara and Tasyapi Maha Adesha, 8 to 81. 8 to 81, what is Sutra? Yetaha it Bhagavachane.
Bahuvachane.
Yetaha it Bhagavachane, 8 to 81, you can see. Yetaha it Bhagavachane. So Bhagavachane only, Bhagavachane Jali Yet. That's what I said in the beginning. Ekara Adesha will come. In that case, Ekara which follows the Dakara will get Ikara Adesha. Dasya Mahapi Bhavati. Okay. So therefore we get Ami. Ami bis, Ami bihi. So Aso Amu. Ami, Amum Amu. Amuna, Amuna Amu Vyam. Ami bihi. Right. Then others plus Nye. Chaturthi Ekavachanam. Chedadi Namaha. Then Atogune. By that we get other plus Ye. Other plus Ye. This other Shabda. Not having Sakara. Therefore you can apply. Okay, that will come later. Fine. Ye, Chaturthi Bhakti. This now other is Akaranta Shabda. Therefore we can apply.
Sarvanamna Smai.
Yeah, Nye, just a little Nye. It is not Ye, need not be. Nyer Yaha. Sarvanamnaha Smai, that just got Anuvritti of Nyer Yaha. You can see that 7-1 section. Nyer Yaha coming as Anuvritti. So Sarvanamnaha, Nye Stane. Right? That Adesha comes.
That is my
Sorry, Smai Adesha.
Smaya.
Nye only, Yaha doesn't come as Anuvritti. Nye Stane, Smai Adesha. So other plus Smai. This other Shabda we can apply 8 to 80 now. Akara, Dhatu Taras Akara Si Ukara Adesha, Dasya Maha Adesha. Therefore, Amush. Amusmai, then after that Shatvam, you get Amushmai. Okay. Then Amu, others plus Byam, already we did. Amu Byam. Others plus Byam, Yadadi Namaha Togune. After that, Bhagavachane, sorry, Supicha, 73102, by the Digatvam. Then we can apply 8 to 80. So 8 to 80 is very important. If the Bhagavacham 8 to 81, Ikara Desha. Makara replace, Dakara replace Makara is common. And replacement of Akara by Ukara, Ukara, or Akara by replacement of Dirga by Ukara, Rasva by Ukara. That is by 8 to 80. And 8 to 81, replacement of Ekara by Ikara. These two things happens. The common thing is Dakara replaced by Makara. So by 8 to 80, you get Amubhyam. Then others plus Byas. Yadadi Namaha Togune by that other plus Byas. Bhagavachane Jali Ye, therefore Ade. Then Ekara will be replaced by 8 to 81 by that Ikara and Dasya
Ikara.
Mahapi. Therefore, Ami Byaha.
Amibhya.
Ami Byaha you get. Right?
Yes.
So Bhagavachana, if you see, you'll have Ami Bihi, Ami Byaha, Ami Byaha. It means 8 to 81. Amubhyam, etc. Where Ukara, that is 8 to 8. So by seeing the form, you can remember the sutra. By sutra, you can remember the form. Others plus Nasi. Tedadi Namaha Togune by that other plus Nasi. Now Sarvanamnaha Nasi. What will happen? Nasi will be replaced by Smart. Right? Then Dakara, which is Ada, which doesn't have Sakara, therefore Adasaha, Asehe, Dad, Dadu, then Maha. By that, Akara will be replaced by Ukara, Secha Makaraha, therefore Amu, Amushmat. Others plus Bhyam, same thing. Become Adabhyam, then becomes Amubhyam. Akara se Ukaraha, Maka Dasya Maha, Amubhyam, right? 8 to 80. Already we have seen. Then we
Yes,
got others plus yes. Yes, Bhagavachan Jali, therefore Ade plus yes. Then A will be replaced by he and Dasya Maha Ami. Therefore Ami Byaha, right? Others plus Nas Shashti, Ekavachana. Yadari Namaha Togune by that other plus Nas. Nas will be replaced by what sutra? Nasi.
Sya
Yeah.
by Tanga Singasami Natsya.
Yeah. Tanga Singasam, Natsyaha by that.
Sya will come.
Sya will come. 7, 1, 12. Because 7, 1, 12 comes because this is Adantanga, not because Sarvanama is not there. 7, 1, 12,
Yeah.
we don't have Sarvanama. Sarvanamnaha only in 7, 4, 14, right? Sarvanamnaha is 9. Because it is Adantanga, therefore Ataha. Adantanga Duttarasya Nas Pratyasya Sthane Sya Adesha. In fact, Ta replaced by Ina also like that, Nasi and Nasam also. Okay. Not because it is Sarvanama. It is common for all Adantanga. So other plus Sya. Now, Dakara will be replaced by Makara and Akara will be replaced by
Ukara. Ukara. So Amushya.
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 Then Shatvam happens. Then others plus O's. Yadari Namaha Togune by Ada and O's. Then after that,
Usicha will come.
Osicha will happen.
Osicha by that,
It will
Ekara
come.
Deshaha.
Ekara.
Now we can apply 8 to 81. By that, Ekarasya Sthane Ekara Deshaha, Dakarasya Maha. Therefore you get
No, ji. 8 to 80 only.
Into,
That
8 to
is
81
other
will
source.
come. Yeah. Ade, before that, it is a Sandhi. Ade plus O's. Ade plus O's. What is 73104?
Yan.
Bhagavad Jali, right? Okay. Now, Ade plus
Yes,
Yos, Ade Yos. Now, here we can
Yan.
see.
Usicha
this is
731.
No,
Ayadi Sandhi.
Echo Yava.
Ayadi
Ayadi
Sandhi.
Sandhi.
Ayadi
Yeah.
Sandhi. Yeah. Ayadi Sandhi.
Ah.
Not Yen Sandhi. Ayadi Sandhi. And after that,
Then 8 to 80.
And
we can
Akara will
do.
become Makara. Akara.
Akara.
Ukara.
Ukara.
So, Dhatu Tarasya, Karasya Ukaraha, then Dakar Dasya Maha, Amayogo, we get from Amayogo. Okay. So, why Sandhi? Because before we come to Tripadi, all this Karya we have to do it. Ade plus O. Sandhi is possible, therefore we do Sandhi. In other cases, there is no Sandhi because followed by a consonant. Therefore, in other cases, there is no Sandhi here. But here it is followed by a vowel. So this is Bhasanya position. Therefore, Sandhi to be done first. And then Tripadi, when you go, you do this. Okay. Samayogo. Others plus Am here also. Yadadina Maha, then you get Adam. But then Suttakama. Okay. This is like Suttakama will come because Suttakama by Rasvanadhyapo. Sorry, not Rasvanadhyapo. Rasvanadhyapo Nut. But this is by Sut.
Ami Sarvanam Sutta.
Ami Sarvanamnaha Sut. So Sarvanamnaha Ami Sut Bhavati. So Suttakama. Now it is no more Ajadi. So this will not enjoy Basanya. So other plus Sam. Other plus Sam. Therefore, other plus Sam. What will happen? Other plus Sam. This is Bhagavachana.
Bhagavachana
Bhagavachana.
Ade.
Ade. Then A will be replaced by E and the Karasya Maha. Therefore, Ami.
Amisham. Amisham and
Amisham.
then Amisham.
Shatvam.
Shatvam.
Amisham.
Anisha. 7-3, 7-1. Sorry. Others plus me. Other plus E. Other plus me. So here, other plus E.
Nasinyo smarts me now.
Yeah. Smilla.
Yeah, me will be replaced by
Smin.
Smin
Smin.
Sarvanamnaha.
Uh,
Sarvanamnaha. Nasi Nyoha Smart Sminav.
No.
So it will be replaced by Smin. I'll make it as E. It's not E is replaced by Smin. E is directly replaced by Smin. So here also we can apply Dasya Maha Dat Panasya Ukaraha. So Amu. Right? You get Amu. Shattam. Amushmin.
Amushmin.
Others plus Os, same as before.
Same
Amayo.
Amayo.
Amuyoho. Amuyoho.
Amayo. Then final one, others plus sup. Other plus su, Tedadi Namaha, then Tato Gune, other plus su, Bhagavachane, Jali, Ek, then Ekara Sistan, Ekara hate to 80 will apply. The Simaha, therefore, Ami Shu Shatvam. So Aso Amu Ami. This is Rupam. Let us chant this. You can try to memorize this Shabda. Generally, this Shabda will be skipped by people in the beginning because difficult to memorize. But it's good to memorize this also. Okay, let us chant. Sakarantaha Pullingaha Adas Shabdaha Aso Amu Ami
Aso
Amu Ami
Amum Amu Amun
Amun
Amuna Amubyam Amibihi
Amuna Amibihi
Amushmai Amubyam Amibyaha
Amushmai
Amibyaha
Amushmat Amubyam Amibyaha
Amushmat
Amibyaha
Amushya, so Amushya.
Yeah.
It's a typo. Amushya Amuyoho Amisha. Huh?
Reda. Amushmat also. Panchami also.
Yeah, that's also. Amushya Amuyoho Amisha.
Amushya
Amuyoho
Amisham
Amushmin Amuyoho Amishu.
Amushmin
Amuyoho
Amishu.
Then Sarva Shabda. Sarva is Akarantaha Pullingaha. Let us do Pullinga Sarva Shabda. Akarantaha Pullingaha Sarva Shabdaha. Sarva plus su. Then Sarva plus su, what will happen? Sarva plus su, Sarvaha. Simple. Padanta Sakara. Replace by so Sarvaha. Sarva plus au. Atamayoho.
Jasaha she.
No, Jay,
Yes.
this one. Prathamaya
Yasaha is just is Bhagavachana. You are doing now
Now
Dvivachana.
Dvivachana.
Pratamayoho Purva Savarnaha Kinto Nadachi. Nadachi negates. Therefore, Purva Savarnaha will not happen. Therefore, what? Sarvaha, Sarva, Vritti Sandhi. Right?
Yeah.
Pratamayoho Purva Savarnaha is negated by Nadichi. Therefore, Vritti Sandhi. Sarva. Like Ramo, Ramaha Ramo. Bhagavachana means here Sarvanamnaha Jasaha Shivavati. What is Sutra? Not written the Sutra number.
Just
Number, you know.
7:1:17.
Yes, 7:1:17. Yes, Sarva plus E, therefore Sarve. That's why we get Sarve. Sarva, Sarvo, Sarve. Then Sarva plus Ami Purvaha. Sarvam. Sarva plus out. Same as before.
Same.
Sarva. Sarva plus Shas. Pullinga.
Sarvan.
Pratamayo Purva Savarnaha Tasma Jasona.
Then Tasma.
Therefore Sarvam. Sarva plus Ta. Adantanga followed by Ta. Therefore Ina.
Ina.
So Sarvena and Nattum also happens. Right? Nattum also happens. Then Sarva plus Vyam.
Sarvabhyam Supicha.
Supicha. Then Sarva plus Bis. Adantanga followed by Bis.
Atobisahis.
Atobisahis. Therefore Sarvais. Then Sarvaihi. Then Sarva plus Nye. Nye.
Sarvanamna Smai.
Sarvanamnaha Smai. Nyehe Sarvanamnaha Smai Bhavati. Sarvasmai Sarvasmai only. Shattam not happen. Sarva plus Vyam already did. Sarva Vyam. Picture. Sarva plus Vyas. Bhagavachane.
Bhagavachane jaliye.
Jaliye. Sarvebhyaha.
सर्वेभ्यः
Sarva plus Nasi. Smart. Right? Nasinyoho smart.
Smartsminau.
Sarva smart. Sarva plus Vyam. Sarva Vyam. Sarva plus Vyaha. Sarvebhyaha. Sarva plus Nas.
Sarvasya Tangasinasaminan.
Tangasingasam. Sarvasya. Sarvasya. Sarva plus Os. Sarva plus
Osija.
Os. By that Ekara, then Ayadisa.
Ayadi Sandhi.
Sarva Yoho.
Sarvayo.
Then Sarva plus Am. Ami. Sarvanamnaha.
Savanama Sutu.
Sutta.
Suttagama.
Then this will get Parasagya.
Shatvam.
Sarva plus Sa. Ami. Bhagavachana Jaliye. Shattam after Bhagavachana Jaliye. Sarve. Sarvesham. Right?
Yes.
Then Sarva plus Ni. Ni will be replaced by
Smin.
Min.
Sarvanamnaha 72103. 72103. What is 72103?
2103 is Bahuvachana Jaliye.
That will not come. Sarva plus
That
Min
will
is
not come,
Sarvasmin only. Sarvasmin only. Sarva plus Os. Sarva Yoho. Already we have seen. Bhagavachane. Osicha. Right? Then
Sir, 7115, no? This one.
which one?
Sutra.
7115 is
Yeah.
Nothing your smart. Yeah, that.
that is not 16 Sharanji, that's 7115.
15. Okay. Yes. Sarva plus Sut. Bhagavachana Jaliye. Sarve. Sarveshu. Then Shatva. Simple. Get this one. Okay. And after that, I'll just copy this. Then comes the Asmadvishwa Shabda, but there are some Shabdas which are common. So that also we can, which are not part of the Tejadigana. They're not part of the Tejadigana, but still we can do. Even Sarva is also not part of Tejadigana. Sarva is Sarvanama Shabda. Okay. Tejadigana, after that we have Eka and Dvi. So Tejadigana is almost done. Eka and Dvi, that we will see later. Numbers. Yad, tad, yad, etad, idam, others, up to others we have done. And after that Eka and Dvi number. Okay. That we will do later. Eka Shabda, Dvi Shabda already we know that we can add it later. So Tejadigana is over. Tejadigana, Antargana. Now, Sarvanama Shabda we are saying. So Sarvanama Shabda, first one Sarva Shabda. Next one is as Sarvanama Shabda. Similarly, the other Shabda we can do this similar Shabda. Sarva is a. Sarva means all. Similarly, there is another word, Vishwa. Vishwa here means not universe. Here Vishwa also in the sense of Sarva, Sampurna Ityartaha. Okay, Vishwa. Vishwa, universe is that is different. Vishwa means all in that meaning. Okay. That is also Sarvanama Shabda, one of the word in the Sarvadigana. So Vishwa Shabda also will be declined like this one, Sarva Shabda only. Therefore, the form would be
Vishwaha.
Vishwaha, Vishwo,
Vishwo. Vishve.
Vishwe.
Vishwam. Vishwo.
Vishwo.
Vishwan.
Vishvena,
Vishvena.
Vishwabhyam,
Vishwabhyam.
Vishwabhyam,
Vishvaihi.
Vishvaihi,
Vishwaihi. Vishwasmai.
Vishvasmai.
Vabhyam.
Vishvabhyam. Vishvebhyah.
Vishwabhyam.
Vishvasmat.
Tasmat. Vishwabhyam.
Vishvabhyam. Vishvebhyah.
Vishvebhyah.
Vishvasya. Vishvayoho. Vishvesham.
Vishwesham.
Vishwasmin.
Vishwasmin.
Vishvasmin. Vishvayoho. Vishveshu.
Yeah, Sambodhana is there. Okay. Sarvasna Shabda also. We have Sambodhana for this. Chat Shabda and is not there, but Ye Sarva, Ye Sarvo, Ye Sarve, it is there Sambodhana. Okay. Sambodhana, it
But
is.
for Sarvanama Shabda, it should not be there, no? See?
No, for Tat Shabda, etc., they are not there. But Sarva Shabda, it is there. Sarva Shabda, you can see the website. Sarva Shabda, Tat Shabda,
It is
etc. We
given.
don't have. We don't have, but Sarva is there. Sarva Shabda, Akaranta, Pullinga, Samagram, Akilam, Sampurnam, same meaning Vishwa also. So here we have Sambodhana. Ye Sarva, He Sarva, Ve Sarve, same as one month. Whereas Tat Shabda doesn't have.
Mm.
Tat Shabda, we don't have Sambodhana. Sambodhana Nasti. Okay, this, let me add Sambodhana. Sambodhana 8.1. What sutra will apply here? Sarva plus Su. Then Sarva plus Su. This is Sambuddhi Su.
No,
So He Rama, how we get He Rama?
Buddhe.
Yengrasva Sambuddhe.
Sambuddhehe. Sambuddhehe Luk Bhavati, right? Yengrasva Sambuddhehe Luk Bhavati. The sutra is 6.1.
69.
So 6.169. Like Rama Shabda. So therefore, that is A Sarva, A Sarvo, A Sarva. That is same. Sarva can have Sambodhana, but other cannot have Sambodhana. There is no meaning, right? So if you say Tat Shabda having Sambodhana, that is a wrong. But Sarva is the, that is why if you see Tedadi Antargana, we don't have any word having Sambodhana. Other Shabda, do you have other Shabda or Sambodhana?
No.
Take other Shabda. Other Shabda also we don't have Sambodhana. Yet others, Tad, Etad, if you take all the Shabda. So that, therefore, the Tedadi and Antarganasya, Tedadi Ganasya, we don't have Sambodhana. Whereas not all Sarvanama Shabda should not have Sambodhana. Tedadi Gana Shabda doesn't have Sambodhana. Okay. So Vishwaha also like that. So yep. So we have Sambodhana. Anyway, okay. I will write it later. So Vishwa Shabda is one Shabda which is there. Then I will take similar Shabdas, similar Sarvadi, Sarvanama Shabda. Number 9, next one. That is also Akarantaha Pullingaha Katara Shabdaha. How do you decline Katara? Kataraha Katarau Katare.
Katare.
Katara is it's like the meaning is which of these two, which one of these two, that is the meaning. So Katara and Katama, Yatara, Yatama, Tatara, Tatama, Ekatara, Ekatama, all these are Tatara, Tatama, Pratyanta Shabda. Okay, I just give Katara the same way all the other Shabdas also. Kataraha, Katarau, Katare, right? Kataram, Katarau, Kataran. So in the Sarvadigana, we have Dattara, Dattama, Pratyanta Shabda. So we have Katara, then Katama, then Yatara, Yatama, then Tat Shabda also we can add. We have Tatara, Tatama, then Ekatara, Ekatama. All these Shabdas. All these Shabdas also same as the other Shabda. The following Dattara, Pratyanta Shabda. Pratyanta Shabda, Dattara and Dattama Pratyanta Shabda. Dattara, And Datama Pratyanta Shabdas are declined like Katara. And Katara is like Sarva Shabda, Sarvanama Shabda. So therefore we can do all these Shabdas like that. So I'm not doing it, just mentioning this. So all these are Katara Datama Pratyanta Shabda. So this is also done. Katara, Katama, etc. So one Shabda is enough. And here also we have Sambodhana. Ye Katara, among the two, Ye Kataru, Ye Katare, like that. Then we have another Shabda, Tva Shabda. 10th Shabda. Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Tva. The meaning of Tva also is Sarva, Sarva Ityataha. Sarva Ityataha. Tva also means Sarva. Sorry, Tva is not Sarva, it is Binna. Binna Ityataha. Tva is Binna. Okay, this Tva Shabda you will see in the Veda. So this is also like the Sarva Shabda only. Tvaha, Tvau, Tve, Tvam, Tvau, Tvan, Tvena Tvabhyam, Tvaihi, then Tvasmai, Tvabhyam, Tvebhyaha, same thing. Tvasmad, Tvabhyam. So you can decline like that. Okay. Then the next Shabda. Sambodhana also it is there. Yetva, Yetvau, Yetve. The 11th Shabda, which is also Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Sama Shabda. Yes, Sama is, see, Sama has the meaning of Tulya and Sama has the meaning of all. So here Sarva Ityartaha, not in the sense of Tulya. Yatha Sankhya Anudesha Samanam, Samanam, Sama, Tulya meaning also it is there. That meaning is not here. It is here. In the sense of all only, the Sarvanama Sanya is ordered, not in the sense of Tulya. Okay. So that is why, if you see, in the what will be the so Sama Shabda meaning Sarva, what will be the Bhagavachanam, Shashti Bhakti Bhagavachana Rupam? Shashti Bhakti
Samesham.
Samesham only.
Samesham.
And in the Sutra, Yatha Sankhya Manudeshas, Sutra, what is that? Yatha Sankhya Manudeshaha, Bandhubush, Yatha Sankhya Manudeshas Samanam, right?
Oh,
Why we have Samanam there? Samanam or Samesham?
Meaning is different.
it's
Not, that's what meaning is. The Samanam is Tulya Ityartaha. So because it is Tulya, therefore it is like Rama Shabda. Samanam, Ramanam. Yes, Samanam is Tulya Ityartaha. Natu all, right? Yes, Sama doesn't mean all. Whereas as part of the Sarvadhigana, it is in the sense of Sarva, Natu Tulya. Therefore the Rupam will be
Sarve, Samesham.
Samesham. Here the form will be Samesham, Natu Samanam. Understand?
Yes.
Samanam, if you say it is Tulyanam Ityartaha. Samesham, when you say it is Sarvesham Ityartaha. Understand? So in the sense of Sarva only, it is a part of the Sarvadhigana, not in the sense of Tulya. That is why I written Sarva Ityartaha. Is it clear?
Yes.
So you can compare with the Sutra, Yatha Sankhya Manudesha Samanam. Suppose if it is not Tulya, if it is all, then Samesha, the Sutra must be Samesha, but not Samesha. It's Samanam. Right? Why it's Samanam? If the form is, Sama is declined commonly, it cannot be declined commonly because there the meaning is Tulya. Tulya arte Sama Shabdaha. Therefore Samanam, like Rama Shabda. Sarva arte, then Samesha.
Samesham.
Because samanam is therefore tulya. If it's samesham, then we can take sarva. Okay. That's why the sutra also tulya vachaka shabdaha sama shabdaha. Yatha sankhya manudesha samanam. Okay. The next one, 11 and 12. All these are akaranta shabda, simple shabda. Sima. This, if you see the Sarvadigana, we have all these words we have seen. Sima shabda. That is also sarva ityartaha. So simaha, simau, sime. All these words may be there in the Shabda Manjari. Probably you would not have given the forms. Simam, Simo, Siman, Simena, Simabhyam, Simaihi. So you can decline like that, Sima Shabda. Okay. All these are common Shabda. That's why it listed first. And one more, another Shabda, Anya. All these are Sambodhana also, please note. And the next one, I should have listed this before anyway. Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Anya Shabdaha. Anya. Anya means another. So Anya is another in the meaning. Therefore, that also like Sarva Shabda. Anyaha, Anyo, Anye. Anye Janaha. Anyam, Anyo. Anyan, Anyen, Anyabhyam, Anyehi. So I'll correct all these things later. Okay, just take it out. Anya Tara also, like that only. Anya Tara, Anya Tama. Right? We can add that also. Maybe I will add here. Katara, Katama, Ekatama, then Anya Tara, Anya Tama. All these words. Okay, then Anyatara. Okay. Anyatama will not come. Okay, because if you see Sarvadigana Shabda, Anyatama is not read. Anyatara is read. We'll go to the Sutra. Sarvadini, Sarvanamani. 1:26. If you see 25. Sarvadini, Sarvanamani. 127. The list of Shabdas, if you see here. Sarva, Vishwa, we have seen. Uba, Ubaya, we'll see later. Datara Pratyanta, Datama Pratyanta Shabda we saw. Anya, Anyatara, not Anyatama. Please note, Anyatama not there. Anya, Shabda, just we saw. And Tara Pratya, when you had one among the two. Then Itara, Tot and all we saw. Tot, Twa, Nema, Sama, Sima, all those Shabdas we saw. Now, Anyatama not there because Anyatama is not part of the Sarvadigana. Anyatara is Patita in Sarvadigana. Therefore, that is declaring like Rama Shabda, Anyataraha, I mean, Sarva Shabda, not Rama Shabda. Anyataraha, Anyataro, Anyatare, Anyataram, Anyataro, Anyataran. But Anyatama is not there. Therefore, doesn't enjoy Sarvanama Sanya. Please note. Anyatama, therefore, Anyatama will be declined like Rama Shabda. Anyatamaha, Anyatamo, Anyatamaha only. Not Anyatame. Please note. Understand?
Yes.
So Datama Pratyanta Anya, the Shabda, this Shabda is not Patita in the Sarvadigana. Therefore, doesn't enjoy Sarvanama Sanya. Therefore, it cannot be declined like Sarva Shabda. Please note, it will be like Rama Shabda. Maybe I will add a note here. You have to note. Anya Shabda. Anyatara. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, Raj.
Yes, Ji.
A mistake I pressed airplane. Anyatara Shabda is is read in the Sarvadigana. Therefore, it is declined like Sarva Shabda. Whereas Anyatama Shabda is not read in the Sarvadigana, therefore it is not declined. Anyatama is not read in the Sarvadigana, and therefore its declination is not like Sarva Shabda, but like Rama Shabda. Okay. Understand? In fact, this Anyatara is not Datara Pratyanta Shabda. Okay, let me remove that also from there. It is not Datara Pratyanta Shabda. Looks like that, but it is not. Datara Datara Pratyanta Shabda, only these 8 Shabdas are there. Only the 8 Shabdas. The following Datara 8. I'll write 8. The following 8 Datara Pratyanta Shabda. Whereas Anyatara Anyatama is not Datara Pratyanta. So I will write here. Anyatara Shabda which is not a if it Datara Pratyanta, then it need not be given in the separate in the Sarvadigana. Okay. It is not a Datara Pratyanta Shabda. Anyatara Shabda, which is not Anyatara is Avyutpanna Shabda, Anyatara Anyatama. Avyutpanna Shabda means its Utpatti is in the language, the words are there. Which is not a Datara Pratyanta Shabda, is also declined. It also declined like it is not a Datara Pratyanta Shabda, and it is which is read in the Sarvadigana. Anyatara Shabda, which is not Datara Pratyanta Shabda, which is read in Sarvadigana, is declined like Sarva Shabda. Whereas Anyatama Shabda is not in Sarvadigana, therefore. Both these words are Avyutpanna Shabda. Please note. So therefore we can, so for Anyatara is like Sarva Shabda, therefore Anyatara we can decline like that. Maybe I will add that Anyatara also. Akarantaha Pullingaha Anyatara Shabda. Okay. So all the Akaranta related Shabdas we have done. Fine. Then what was it? What was Tatara, Katama, Tatara, Yatarantara. One more Shabda. Anyatara is there. Next Shabda. That's also Akaranta, number 15. Akaranta Pullingaha, Itara. Itara also means Binna Ityartha, different. Binna Ityartha. So, Itaraha, Itaro, Itare Janaha comes in Gita. Itara. It's also I will add later. Itara Shabda. So all these are Sarvadigana, then Uba, Ubaya and all that we will see later. Then Vishwadasma Shabda. Now the numbers have changed. 15, then 16. Vishwadasma Shabda. This is something difficult. So here we need to know, follow this sequence. Yushmad Asmad. They won't be able to complete today, but we can start. Whether we know the declension or not, but we should know the Shabda by heart. Okay. So we are going to see these two Shabda together. Takarantaha, Vishpat Shabda. What linga? Trishulingesha Samana Rupa. Therefore, Trilinga. So Asma Shabda also. For our operation, please split the Shabda into two. For our operation, be easy. Yushmad, Ma Paryanta, up to Ma. Yushmad also we have Ma, Makara. Asmad also we have Makara. Therefore, Ma Paryanta means up to Makara. Therefore, Yushma plus Ad, Asma plus Ad. So when I say Ma Paryanta means this Ma Paryanta. Because you will see Ma Paryanta, the Yushma Shabdasya, some Adesha will come. There will be some replacement. So Mali Asma. Okay. So Makara Paryanta is Yushma and Asma. And what is left out? Shesha is, left out is Ad. So depending on what Bhattaya follows and the sutras, certain operation will happen and you'll get the form. Understand?
Yes.
Right? First use have like this. Ma Paryanta, Yushma Shabda, or Asma Shabda, then Ad. Now let us, we will do some Vibhakti, not all, not possible today. We will start. The first sutra, 7128. Nye Pratamayoho What is the meaning? Nye Pratame. What is Nye? Which is 71.
Chat
7128. Yushmad Asmadbhyam Yasaha Nasaha Ash Nye Pratamayoho Chaso Na Yasobhyam. All these are Yushmad Asmad related Shabda. So 7127 onwards. Then Panchamya At Ekavachanasya Cha Sama Akam Ata Au Nalaha. Okay, that is not required. Up to Sama Sakam. So Yushmad Asmad Shabda related sutra starts from 7127 to 7133. Now what is Nye? Chaturthi. Right. Chaturthi Bhakti. What vachana?
Ekavachana.
Ekavachana. And Pratama Yoga is Pratama and Dvitiya.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Means is the Adesha. Right. So 7128 says Nye, that is Chaturthi Bhakti, Ekvachana Pratyaya Nye, and Pratama Yoga means Pratama and Dvitiya. The Pratyaya will be replaced by Therefore, Suaujas Ammodhyas will be replaced by For Asmat Shabda and Yushmat Shabda, as well as Chaturthi Ekavachana will be replaced by, that is, Nye will be replaced by Okay. That's what the sutra says, 7128. We see. Pratama Yogo. Pratamacha, Dvitiyacha, Pratame and Pratama Yogo, Tayogo, Pratama Yogo. That is Pratama Bhakti and Dvitiya Bhakti, Pratama Yogo. Nye ye Chaturthi, Ekavachana Pratyaya. Will get the Adesha, all these will get the Adesha. Yushmat Shabda, now, see, Pratyaya will get Amadesha, okay. Yushmat Shabda, Rasmat Shabda, when followed by Pratama Vibhakti Pratyaya, so just Dvitiya Vibhakti Pratyaya, Amokshyas, and Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya, Nye will get what Adesha? Amadesha. Therefore, Asmad plus Su is equal to Asmad plus Yushmat plus Su is equal to Yushmat plus So like that. Yushmat Asmadbhyam Parasya Nye iti etasya Pratama Dvitiyoho Cha Adesha Syat Siddhanta Kaumati. Simple vritti. This is one sutra. You have to remember. 7128. Then Tvaho Sau. What is Tvaho Sau? 7294. So 7126, this section, where you see 27 section here. And 72 section also, we have some sutras which we require to get the form 7 to 94, you see sutra. Here also here, ma paryantasya, that's very important. I said ma paryantasya means yushmad asmad ma paryantasya. The changes happening to that form of the part of the yushmad shabda, asmad shabda, up to ma, akara. So ma paryantasya. So all these sutras are important. So 7.1 section, 7.127 section up to 7.133, then 7.2 section, ma paryantasya, yuvavo dvivachane, yo yavayo jasi, tvahau sau, tubhyamakyo nayi, tava mamo nasi, then tva ma vekavachane, then the next sutra. Okay, that is not required. So up to here. Tatrayotara padayoscha, that we saw in the case of compound. Samasa we have seen. Yushmat putraha, asmat putraha, if you remember. We have seen there. Okay, in fact, that also we have seen. Ma paryantasya. Ma paryantasya goes as anuvritti. Do you remember? Pratyaya uttara padayoscha. Yushmakam putraha, what will be? Tava putraha, what will be the compound?
Oh. Tvat putraha.
Tat putraha, tva will be replaced by tva. Ma paryanta yushma shabdasya tva. So tat putraha, mat putraha. Already we have seen that, 898, right? In the context of samasa. Shashti tat purusha. Okay, so this section 7 to 94, 90, ma paryanta, so 91 onwards. So 7.1 and 7.2, the section we have to see. Now let us see. What is so? So is supratyaya. Supratyaya pare, tvahau, tva and aha. Right? Yushmad asmad broho ma paryantasya. Up to ma paryanta, that is Yushma and asma sau pare, they get respective adesha. What is the adesha? Tva and aha iti eto adesho bhavataha. So ma paryantasya yushmat shabda, that means yushma. Right? Yushma. And ma paryantasya asma shabda is asma.
Asma.
When followed by supratyaya, they get respective adesha. Yushma will be replaced by tva.
Tva.
And asma will be replaced by aha.
Aha.
And su is replaced by So aha plus ah plus what we get? Aham only. Tva plus tvam. That's what we get tvam, yuvam, yuyam, right? Understand?
Yes.
So tvaho sau.
Yes.
This is next sutra. You need to remember this. Then next sutra says Sheshe Lopaha. This is important. Sutra 7 to 90. Sheshe Lopaha. What is Sheshe Lopaha? So here we follow. Remaining will become Lopaha. What is the remaining? We have to see. So here we follow two methods. By two methods we can do this. One is Siddhanta Kaumudi, Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi method. Other one is Siddhanta Kaumudi method. Both methods I have done here. We will see. Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi Kara. They say this. Simple vritti. Etayo shti lopaha. Shti lopa happens for this. That is, if you see the website also, 7 to 90. Website is not given to two prakriya, but I have taken from the Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi as well as Siddhanta Kaumudi 2. Explained in a slightly different way, but we get the same form. Sheshe vivakto Yushmadaspadoho lopaha bhavati. What is Shesha? We need to understand. That is given in the form of a karika. Also, all those things we will see. Just before that, the prakriya, Siddhanta Kaumudi prakriya, Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi prakriya, you know. When any vibhakti pratyaya follows, the shabda, yushmad, asmad, then what happens? Then any follows, then T, which is a shesha of yushmad and asmad shabda, will become lopaha. What is the T of yushmad and asmad?
Ad.
Exactly. That is why in the beginning itself I split. Yushma plus ad, asma plus ad. Remember,
Yes.
that ad will become what? Lopaha. Right? Sheshaha. For the remaining vibhakti. What are those remaining vibhakti? We will see. Okay. So sheshe lopaha is when vibhakti pratyaya follows sheshe. Ma paryanta. Leaving out the ma paryanta shabda, what is left out? That is sheshe. Ad lopaha bhavati. For what shabda? Yushmadasmad. Because Yushmadasmadoho anadeshe, you see, 7 to 83, Yushmadaspadaho coming as Anuvrutti. Vidiyayam cha Pratamayaschcha Dvivachane Bhashayam Yo Achi, then Sheshe. The Sheshe Lopaha only I have taken here, explaining here. So when any Vibhakti Pratyaya follows Yushmadasma Shabda, the T of the Yushmad, the T which is a Shesha of the Yushmadasma Shabda will become Lopaha. This is number one. This method is T Lopa method by Siddhanta, Lagu Siddhanta Kaumadi. Siddhanta Kaumadikara says, Atva Yatta Nimitta Itara Vibhaktau. Atva Yatta Nimitta Itara. That is what Shesha. Atva Nimitta, Atva Yatta. What is Atva? Here you can see Yushmadaspadaho Anadeshe Dvitiyayam cha Pratamaya Vashane Yaka Achi. Yakara Adesha comes. So when Atva Adesha and Yatva Adesha, we will see where Atva Adesha, Yatva Adesha comes. When Atva Adesha, Yatva Adesha Nimitta Itara Vibhakto. So when certain Vibhakti Pratyaya follows, there will be Atva Adesha. We will see later. Don't worry about it now. We will get Yatva Adesha. So accepting that Vibhakti which is not a Nimitta for Atva Yatva follows. Then what happens? Yushmadaspadaho Antyasya Lopaha Bhavati. So Shesha means here, Shesha Lopa, Shesha Vibhakti follows Lopaha, not Shesha means, okay, please don't, I said by mistake. Shesha is, okay, the expression is different in Lagu Siddhanta Kaumadi and Siddhanta Kaumadi. Therefore it is fine. So meaning is, when any Vibhakti Pratyaya follows, because of which the Yushmadasma do not get Atva Retva Adesha, right? So Atva Yatta Nimitta Itara, other than Vibhakti Pratyaya follows, then what happens? That Antya Varnaha Dakara of Ad becomes Lopaha. That is Siddhanta Kaumadikara says. That Yushmad Asmad Ma Paryantasya, other than that, what is left out is Ad, then Ad iti Tasya Dakarasya Lopaha Bhavati. This is method 2. We can do by any method. By Siddhanta Kaumadikara, Lagu Siddhanta Kaumadikara, the Ad itself will become Lopaha. By Siddhanta Kaumadikara, he says, no, the not Ad, the Dakara will become Lopaha. Anything you do, you get the same Rupa. Okay. So here he says, Atva Yatta Nimitta Itara Vibhakto Parataha. When other than the Vibhakti, which causes Atva Adesha, Yatva Adesha for Yushmadasmat follows, then that Ad, Ma Padyantasya, that leave it out, that gets separate Adesha. That Ad, iti, ito vartate, tasya, dakarasya, lopaka bhavati. This is Siddhanta Kaumadikara, method 2. Method 1, the Ad itself will become Lopaha. The T will become Lopaha. He says T Lopaha Bhavati. So you can take Lagu Siddhanta Kaumadi is T Lopaha. Yushmadaspadaho T Lopaha Bhavati Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare. Whereas here, Yushmadaspadaho, when Atva Yatta Nimitta Vibhakto Parataha, Dakaraha Lopaha Bhavati. Okay. Now the Vibhakti, this is what Shesha Vibhakti. The Vibhakti is other than which causes. Other than Atva Yatta Nimitta Vibhakti, it's called Shesha Vibhakti. So the Vibhakti Pratyaya which do not cause Atva Yattva Adesha, they are called Shesha Vibhakti. When they follow, Dakara of Ad becomes Lopaha. This is what is summarized in the Kashika, in the form of a Kashikara, the Shloka. Panchamyascha Chaturtyascha Chashti Pratamayogo Api Yanyad Dvivachanam Yatra Sheshe Lopa Vidiyate. That is Sheshe Lopaha, means Antya Lopaha. According to Siddhanta Kaumadikara, Dakara Lopa, Antya Lopa is Dakara Lopa. Happens for Panchami Vibhakti, Chaturthi Vibhakti, Chashti Vibhakti, right? Chashti. And Ekavachanam, Pratamayoho Api. Pratamayoho Api means Pratamayoho, Ekavachanam as well as Bhagavachanam of Pratama Vibhakti. Pratamayoho. So you have to take it as Yanyata Dvivacham Anyatra Shesha Lopa Vidiyate. The meaning of this Karika is for Panchami, Chaturthi, and Shashti, and Pratamayoho means here Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Okay, that Antya Lopaha, that is Dakaraha of Yushmat Shabdasya, Asmat Shabdasya, Lopaha Bhavati. This will become clear when we do the declension. It's easy. I made it simple here, not doing so much thing. Simple, you'll see. First, given both the method. Ishpar Shabda, Asma Shabda, we are going to do simultaneously. Lagu Siddhanta Kaumadi T Lopaha. Siddhanta Kaumadi, Tara, the next one, that is Antya Lopaha. Okay. So method one for Ishmat Shabda. Ishmat plus Su, you take. First step is Ma Paryanta, you take it separately. You Ishma plus Ad plus So how you get already we said. What? Will come for Ni,
Sir.
Ni, Nye and Pratamayoho. Right?
Unfair.
Nye Pratamayoho Bhavati, Sammanman 28 we saw. So Su will be replaced by number one. Then after that, what will happen? By 7 to 94. What is 7 to 94? 7 to 94 says that what is Sutra? Tvahau Sau, right?
So,
So Ishma will be replaced by Tva, right? Ishma will be replaced by Tva and Asmat will be replaced by Aha.
aha.
So for this is the replacement happens. Maybe I will put yellow here so that you know what happens. This yellow, I'll remove it. Just separately I give it what will happen because the T Lopa is going to happen. Then by 7 to 90, what happens? Sheshe Lopaha by Lagu Siddhanta Kaumadi method, Ad becomes Lopaha. Therefore, Tva plus Tva plus is Ami Purvaha. Therefore, Tvam. Understand? First step is Pratyaya is replaced by by 7 to 20. Nye Pratamayogo Second step is Tvaho Sau. This will be replaced by Ma Paryantasya Ishma. Ishmat Shabdasya Ishmati. The part of that will be replaced by Tva. Right? Ma Paryantasya Ishmat Shabdasya Tva Adeshaha. Then Tva plus The T Lopa happens by the Sutra Sheshe Lopaha.
Sheshe Lopa.
Right? So T Lopaha Bhavati. When Shesha Vibhakti follows, other than the Vibhaktis, which do not cause Atva Yatva Adesha follows, then T Lopaha happens. That's why Sheshe Lopaha. Simple, you remember like that. Then T Lopaha Bhavati, then Tvam you get Ami Purvaha. This is for Yushpat Shabda. Similarly, Asmad also. Asmad plus Su. Su will be replaced by by 7128. Nye Pratama Yogo Right? Then Asmad Ma Paryantasya Asmad Shabdasya Aha Adesha Tvahau Sau.
Tvahau Sau.
Then Sheshe Lopaha. When other than the Vibhakti causing Atva Yatva Adesha follows, then T Lopaha Bhavati. Sheshe Lopaha. So therefore T Lopaha Bhavati goes away, Ad goes away, therefore Aha plus some Ami Purvaha Aham. Tvam Aham. This is by Lagu Siddhanta Kaumadi method. Siddhanta Kaumadikara says, no, it is T Lopa, not T Lopa, Antya Lopaha. Now so you get the same thing. Yushmat plus Su, same thing. So is replaced by by 720. Nye Pratamayoho Then what happens after that? Tvaho So by that. When Supratyaya follows, Vishnu will be replaced by Tva. Then Siddhanta Kaumadikara Sheshe Lopaha he interprets, not T Lopaha, Antya Lopaha Bhavati. Antya of Ishmad. What is just Antya Dakara? That becomes Lopaha.
Dakar.
For understanding, I put split into this the individual members and then written like this. Okay, I hope you understand.
Yes.
Dakara is a Lopaha Bhavati. Then Tva plus of is Tva only, Ato Gune. Then Tva plus is Ami Purvaha. Therefore, Tvam you get the same form. Right?
Togune is added here.
Tva plus is Ato Gune.
Mm.
Then Tva plus is Ami Purvaha. Right?
That is the only difference between Lagu Siddhanta Kaumadi and Siddhanta
Exactly.
Kaumadi.
Here we have Ato Gune, one extra is that. That is not there here.
Yes.
Similarly, Asmad Shabda. By method to Antya Lopaha. Asmad. So here also Su is replaced by by 7128 and Asmad is replaced by Aha. Then T Lopaha happens for Sheshe Lopaha, Antya Lopaha. Dakara becomes Lopaha. then Aga plus Atogune, Aga plus Ami Purvaha, Agam. You get this, right? So Tapatvam,
Yes.
Agam. Okay. I think we'll stop here. Up to this is enough. And little difficult only. But little difficult, not much difficult. I have removed unnecessary things. Only important things are given. So both the methods for Asmat and Shuddha we have done together. We'll see. We'll continue in the next class. You understand, right?
Yes, Ji.
Yes, Ji.
Yes. Please go through this. And you can note down the sutras. What all the sutras required. Yadadi namaha tadoho saha savanante yoho visa. Kimaha kaha nyeke pratamayoho vahos. So sheshe lopaha. So all the sutra you can just note down. So you get familiarity with that and easy, come easy. Okay, so we'll stop here. We'll see. Next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Dhanyavadah.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Dhanyavadah.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಜಿ.
Here you see Pratamayoga api Yanyat Dvivachanam Anyatra. Other than the Dvivachanam of Pratamayoga. That is why Ekavachanam and Bhagavachanam of Pratama Vibhakti have done. Okay. Dvivachanat Anyatra. Accepting the Dvivachanam of the Pratama Vibhakti means Ekavachanam Dvivachanam. Bhagavachanam. Okay, Shesha Lopa will have. We'll see. We'll see next class. Dhanyavadah.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.